part 4, very interesting. So given that I started off this session with wanting to be able to move forward with love and acceptance of ourselves, acceptance of others, this is very interesting where we've got to with this tuning fork combination. So the combo showed up heart energy and circulation of the sex organ energy or pericardium energy. So both of those meridians are on the arms, which is about reaching out to the world sort of energetically. They are both yin meridians, which means they are reaching up to Father Sun. So the heart energy and the sex energy both go from body to sun or from earth to sun. So we're reaching out for that masculine energy, that doing energy, that solid energy, that strong energy that allows us to do and be in our sovereignty and own that. So let's have a look and see what shows up. So it is combination of heart and pericardium. Now the emotions are about feeling heartbroken and then being infatuated with something. Are we infatuated with the truth? Are we infatuated by our beliefs? Are we infatuated with the government? Are we infatuated with what's going on around the world? Are we infatuated with the way this has affected us? Everyone's going to be different. But for me personally, I'm heartbroken watching the world go through what it's doing. So everyone's in a different space for that. The flower essence showing up is vine. And vine, let's go through it. Let's see what I need to do. Do I need to run the central? Do I need to run sex? Okay, so I need to run the meridians, and I need to run that heart chakra as well. I forgot my beautiful rose quartz crystal. Definitely need that on the heart energy. Take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively transmute my using personal will and supportively transmute my authoritarian, tyrannical arrogance with others, my seeking to be helpful to others by directing their activities, and my mental rigidity into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly, and supportively accept that true power is gentle and loving and is so secure that it only supports the empowerment of others. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly, and supportively transform my authoritarian, tyrannical arrogance with others, my seeking to be helpful to others by directing their activities, and my mental rigidity into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly, and supportively accept that true power is gentle and loving and is so secure that it only supports the empowerment of others. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly, and supportively transcend my authoritarian, tyrannical arrogance with others, my seeking to be helpful to others by directing their activities, and my mental rigidity into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly, and supportively accept that true power is gentle and loving and is so secure that it only supports the empowerment of others. I could really feel that through my heart chakra. The whole time it was like my heart was owning that, owning my part in that. So, like I heard someone say, it was Adam Gibson. He has started a group here in Australia called Parents with Questions, I think. And he used to be my business coach about 15 years ago or 10 years ago or something like that. And I was listening to him, and he was actually saying we need to move forward with love and acceptance and peace in our hearts. And he said, and I concur, I fail at this on a daily basis, but I keep bringing it back to that. Because we've got to try to make this world a better place for our kids. We've got to make this world a better place for our grandparents. We've got to make this world a better place for every human being We have the ability to do it, and now feels like this great awakening is the time. Did you feel that? Maybe I'm the only one. Okay, so I'm going to wake up the chakras. And then I'll see if there's any we need to tweak a little bit further. Yeah, okay, so the heart chakra needs a little bit extra work. So the heart works in with the sternum and the parietal bones. So that combo, the parietals, the sternum, and the heart chakra. Reticular activating system. Right, so when we've got low serotonin, our heart really struggles. And serotonin, of course, works with melatonin so that we feel energized by day, we sleep via night. It's not one of my super skills, the old sleeping at night time. There's another RAS circuit. Serotonin again. Yeah, creating some vigilance in the nervous system. So when our nervous system's vigilant, it's hard to relax, it's hard to feel at peace, it's hard to feel like we are switched on and alive and at peace with the world. Because when we're running on vigilance, it's like our nervous system is going, no, 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 no. There's a tiger behind that tree. There's a tiger under the bed. There's a tiger in the toilet. There's a tiger in the bathroom. So when we're vigilant because we don't know where the next thing's going to come from, it ends up creating this vigilance that switches off our serotonin. It makes it much harder to feel relaxed and at peace and alive and vibrant and at one with being a human being. Thank you, God. There's another reticular activating system. So this part of the nervous system, and this is around letting go of our authoritarian control. This is about letting go of trying to control other people. This is about letting go and my auntie always says, she's very Catholic, she says, let go and let God. And it's just like, we just have to let it go. Let it go to our angels. Let it go to our guides. Let it go. So we need to just be able to get into that space going, I'm doing the best in my now moment. I'm willing to leave it up to you to do whatever needs to be done. No. Hey, just a sec. Just finishing off. Okay, so then I'm just going to whip that heart energy just to finish off with. Beautiful. And I'll just throw in the positive to finish with. I make the commitment to kindly, gently and lovingly, supportively encourage everyone to actualize themselves, practice relaxation and align my personal will with universal will. Beautiful. We're kicking into a gorgeous weekend here in Queensland, so I hope you all have a spectacular weekend and life is good. Take care. See you soon.